Welcome to J Science tutorial. We lockdown manung sida class 10 gi chemistry gi part ma ai chhatra singda masung leiriba mayam da meeting pangja boina kitang hand notes oina kitang pijage opening gen ta bisi we class 10 gi chapter types of chemical reaction da khona maning aduai da khona oxidation and reduction reaction anam khagyawi uduni ngase ina takse gadurse masi yam maru oi class 11 amasung heng 12 tam su yam maru oi part ma oi okay ai khona khoigi redox reaction habise masi ai khona concept ani thokna khaide khoigi modern concept habunga or electronic concept habama ani subada classical concept who's in a tawdor the hand say modern concept tung take modern concept or electronic concept masi electrons sing puthora kan tawune adu masi akoina magi sida yen kan da koi oxidation is koi combine to define the way again according to electronic concept or modern concept da koi na oxidation hana define to us oxidation have say koi mass mine have it is the loss of electrons by atoms, ions or molecules. Molecules in the electron mangu process ekhoina kai ko ga kan koi oxidation naina ko masi ekhoina case ani thong khai du pe ai han ba case ta case 1 da koi masana metal sing habis the metals can lose electron metal di masana electron mangu ngame aduga kai da ba cation sing semu ngame aduna metal sing de koi kai da electron mang kanda makoi di kano don thai koi metal ion sing de cation sing de ole aduna sida koi na haidu si case 1 de kai no metal atoms change to metal ion inside the bracket that is cation havadi metals in the electron manga kanda cation the only have example khalo se ko example lo kanda say sodium is a metal because maram de magi outermost electron amalai amasung magi electron amase mang khar matung da ikon hoji ke dawa positive charge ma pura kanda mase 28 harga sumai tawdana koi cation same in the same way calcium also 2 magi outermost 2 le and the calcium is electron ke mang bang ke har kan calcium can lost 2 electron to form cation divalent cation that is calcium 2 plus and electron ani mang do sumai tawdana koi le case 2 is no mo koi kamai tawe case 2 is no koi kamai tawe ha kan non metal na tawa kang hu sin thokal non metal sing the thokal have sorry non metal sing the thokal de koina non metal ion sing se masana electron mang ka kan non metal ion sing mang ka kan se electron gain tor kan se mo panina ahen be electron sing do ma electron mang ngame that means in hiding is no non metal ion sing se non metal ions can lose non-metal ions are changed to non-metal atom habadi ai side matik to working column da kanam tang ijage ke khona chlorine ion hai kan da magi electron machine je koi huji kya legi hai kan da 2 8 and 8 lay so it can lose electron ama mang kham tung da sidage mang tung da magi hana gi position the chlorine atom dhala kai ta di 287 aduna sidagi sila pu matam da 1 electron loss electron mang khamina kedore masiju akoi oxidation so for example here chlorine ion, so it's losing electron. Aduga chlorine atom phange, electron ama. In the same way, oxygen ion 2 negative, by losing electron it forms oxygen atom. Aduga electron ani mangado was my donor lay. Then sigi matung da koi reduction habum lai. Reduction kanai matung ina reduction with respect to this oxidation modern concept or electronic concept ki matung ina koi oxidation reduction habum lai. Reduction sina oxidation ki opposite, that is it is the gain of electrons by samane makosu atoms comma ions or molecules. Atom sing natraga ion sing natraga molecules sing electron gain to gi process se masio khoina kai kau ga matamda kai kau ga kan reduction haina kau kana gi matungena modern concept electronic concept ki matungena. So ma gi so khoina case ani thong khai ko ya kai case no haidi tung yenga se kai case 1 haira kanda case 1 haira kanda man kai do many generally khoina khangbu se kai no non metal atoms sing the electron gain to bungame maramadana non metal atoms sing se non metal atoms are sent to non-metal ion by gaining electron gain to adu masi electron gain to loss to have a khuding mak se koi karai no, that is in the outermost shell of the element the outermost shell to one. An example of lower can they say chlorine ion which says 287. You must see the electron gain to head the right side the electron plus E had the electron here can this one the chlorine ion, that is 2, 8 and 8. Another one oxygen P gramina oxygen so 2, 6 like and by gaining 2 electrons it forms what oxygen ion smite 2, 8 and 11. So smite of magi case 1 sile mathang the case 2 the ngasai gi kaino ki duga oxidation go ona taina bada metal ion sing metal ion di kaino electron watt laba species ni madi masan electron watt laga leire maram adu nai khoi kai doge har kanda metal ion sing se huzik metal ion sing se electron gain to bungame metal ions are since metal ion sing se electron gain to re change to metal atom amuk magi hani original position do hale. So for example low kanda khoi kaino hai kan this sodium ion hai kanda ngasai khoi 2, 8 tang leira ne adi after gaining 1 electron adi ke deba sodium atom dhalani, that is 2, 8 1 lakani. In the same way calcium ion too after gaining 2 electrons I in a min to changes that 2 electrons have any aduga man halakto isne kaino calcium atom, that is 2, 8 and 2 dhalakane so mai to gnai koi case ani thona khaidoga oxidation and reduction se kai electronic concept ma tumina ta ko yare. Now sidai khoina muk langni de khoina tongana si matang da khoi redox haibum leba redox reaction haiba redox reaction haibum lai masai animak se punna yaw reaction sing se khoina haidi those chemical reactions which takes place both oxidation and reduction reaction simultaneously simultaneously are called redox reaction. Redox reaction. If we red haiba wahi si kara ilakuna reduction ilakuna. Aduga ox is come from oxidation haiba wahi si ilakuna. Already redox haiba wahi si kaino koi oxidation sum reduction reaction and open reaction dokune kai ko redox reaction. Already live example am dai koi mana smena haina bums le koi kari haideno smena oxidation and reduction reactions simultaneously at a time. That means without oxidation reduction cannot be occur and vice versa. Oxidation talk to the reaction toy, reduction talk to the oxidation toy. Live example example the acid bases and salt tamba displacement reaction the yaw zinc iron solid say CuSO4 solution aqueous solution da half matam da kai tawgada ki hai kan FeSO4 aqueous plus Cu haide koi solid oina phange smai dam haide si matang sida khoi na haide si kano sigi metal atom se iron atom se matom da leiramina kanagum charge ndu pudana iron atom horen charge ma se kanagum pul I ta na de kana punjilam ta de khoi si fani iram tar ga ma se koi kai da ha de no charge puin hai ga ne aramadana sigi atom se metal iron da all abanina ma se koi kaino har ka oxidation reaction yan hai ga ne then sigi copper sina khoi mu kai da copper sina muksida di iron ne aduga som nakan side di kai da ma si atom ne sibuna khoi na kai hai ga ne so this takes place reduction to n hai ga ne adi sigi whole equation can be written like this f is khoi kai da ba electron mang kan da electron mang kan da Fe2 plus aduga is the 2 electron mang masibuna kai no khoi oxidation to n higher then sina pirai ba electron ani se amuk ngasai gi sele ba copper ion sina amuk phangani mana sina amuk loksalani ko aduga kai dawga hamatam da copper atom phangane sibuna khoina kai no sibuna reduction and high gana adi copper ga ngasai gi iron na pithorai ba electron ani se copper na lowraga reduction tawi then in the same way iron na pithoi ba electron se if copper na lorum da taragadi redox oxidation thoi haina thoi maram aduna khoi ke doga hakan oxidation sum reduction reaction sa simultaneously at a time da tawi adu akoina sida oxidizing agent haibum lai oxidizing agent aduga amana reducing agent as the economy asam na those substance my high bear those substances which can oxidize another substance are called oxidizing agent and itself takes place reduction tokani aduga reducing agent haita su samane sisu koin ka aduga those substances which can reduce another substance substance are called reducing agent. Reducing agent. So the oxidizing agent hai tadi reduction to reposam to oxidizing agent reducing agent hai kan oxidation to masamuk to koi kaino har kanda oxidation to ne adu etadi now in this case iron takes less oxidation, so that masi koi kai targe har kanda oxidizing reducing agent. This one is reducing agent, and in this case copper is reduced. Copper takes less reduction, so that other that man reduction thomin as I see can assume matung in a this one is oxidizing agent. Hi badi aina amuk fazana hijair kanda kaino har kanda ngasagi iron sin mangi be electron si mang the target the oxidation to moy mang is kanana no, it's taken by copper sin low in the same way copper na reduction to ngam si kaino iron na p electron ni p ne adu etadi sina koina copper sina oxidizing agent iron sina reducing agent adu boy koina he exam da khang na bidong tadi am lai lay pyramid reaction the oxidation kana tawi reaction kana tawi khanto aduga oxidation to report na reducing agent adu reduction to report na oxidizing agent na hai do so maina inabam dilai that is oxidation aduga reduction haina lay aduga sida oxidizing agent reducing agent aduna oxidation thopasina reducing agent reduction thopasina oxidizing agent. Okay, only this much for today, so wait for the next class. Thank you all.